given this question here, you write the following set in roster form. Okay, given this set in set builder notation, want to write it in roster form. Okay, so since the formula is already given and the n is said to be from the set of natural numbers where this n is less than 8, this means that n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the values of n. So we start by substituting these values in this equation here and come up with a fraction that those are going to be the element. So starting with the first element, we're going to substitute n equal to 1 there. So this is n equal to 1. When n is 1, this is going to be 2. Substituting 1 there, that is 1 plus 1 over substituting 1 there, that is 1 plus a 2. This gives us a 2 on top plus 1, that is going to be 3 over 3. This is going to be 1, so we know that the first element is going to be 1. Then the next element is going to be n equal to 2. If n is 2, using the same equation here, that is going to be 2 by 2 plus 1 over, that is 2 plus 2. And from there, this is going to be equal to, that is going to be 4, that is 5 over 4. This is going to be the next element. The next one will be n equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, we're substituting in the same equation. So this is going to be 2, that is a 3. We're substituting 3 there, plus 1 over, that is 3 plus a 2. And this is going to be equal to, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7 over, that is going to be a 5. That is going to be the third element. The fourth element will be when we say, let's say n is equal to 4 now. If n is 4, substituting there, that is going to be 2, that is 4, plus 1 over, that is 4 plus 2. This gives us 6 plus 1, that is 7 over, that is going to be a 6. We go to next one, n equal to 5. N equal to 5, substituting there, that is going to be 2, that is 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1. That gives us, of course, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11 over, that is going to be, the denominator there is 2, sorry. So that is going to be, of course, a 7. We'll continue using the same idea. The next one is n equal to 6. So this is going to be 2, that is 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 there. This is going to be equal to, multiply, that is going to be 12, giving us 13 over, that is going to be plus 2. So because in the equation, that is a plus 2 there, so this is going to be plus 2, and this is going to be 8. And the last one is going to be n equal to, of course, 7. And this is 2 times 7 plus 1 over, that is 7 plus 2. This is equal to, that is 14 plus 1 over, that is 7 plus 2. That is 15 over, that is going to be 9. Since this is going to be 7 plus 2, that gives us a 9. And we can reduce this one here to, of course, 3 there, that is 5, 3 there, that is going to be a 3. So we can make now the set. Now set A will be equal to, we start with the first element. The first element is 1, so that is 1, comma, the next one is 5 over 4. The next one is going to be 7 over 5, then followed by n equal to 4, we found that that is going to be 7 over 6. Sorry, this is 9. Made a mistake here. That is 2 times that is going to be, of course, a 9 there. That is 8 plus 1, that is 9. So this is going to be 9 over 6. Then the next one is going to be 11. The next one is going to be 11 over 7. Then followed by 13 over 8. And the last one, which is going to be 5 over 3. That's the way it's supposed to be.